All right, hi, this is Dr. Steflik, Coastal Integrative Healthcare. I have a pregnant patient here who I know very well. It's my wife. She's due within probably 2 weeks or so, and I wanted to show an adjustment on a pregnant woman. Common question we get, is it safe to get adjusted while you're pregnant? Not only is it safe, it's probably the best thing that you could get done while you're pregnant. So it helps with back pain, helps have faster deliveries, safer deliveries. I don't know what woman wouldn't want that as well. With her in particular, it's helped with like rib pain, a couple other things. So go ahead and I would say go on your stomach. I don't know if she can. This piece drops out. Are you able to lay on your stomach?
Yeah, this.
Yeah, just barely able to lay there. Usually it's not too big of an issue until right before the baby's delivered. But this helps as the center of gravity shifts forward, having an additional 30 to 50 pounds for each woman. It puts a lot of extra strain on the back. So this stretch typically feels really good. Also being able to lay face down, most women have not been able to do that unless they're digging a hole at the beach for months. So go ahead and come on your side towards me. And because she's my wife and I get adjust her about once a week, I already know how I'm going to be adjusting her. Time. Good. Good. Come on the other side. Good. All right, good. You can come on up. So that's basic adjustment for a pregnant woman. Completely safe, feels great, and helps out mama and baby.